All right, so we're also going to take a look at what TumbleBooks has. So we have a selection just for TumbleBooks. We have items here for math, K to 6. And you can see they have a great selection of items in here just for children. So you can check that out. TumbleBooks for K to 6 again, just for books, and you can go through and see their selections. TumbleBooks is also offered an audiobook cloud, and to be able to see those for younger folks, just go into the children's section here and they are available. So that's how you're going to be able to find items for kids in TumbleBooks.